Today's video, 1970 El Camino. We'll just do the little walk around on the usual stuff so you can take a look at the car, and it's going to be for sale, so it's coming up pretty soon. SS trim, cowl induction hood. It's an air-conditioned car. Air conditioning blows cold, runs great, detailed pretty nice under the hood. And you know, we're looking at a really nice 70 El Camino. It's looks like it's well cared for, drives good, runs good, looks good. Corvette rallies, 8-inch radial TAs. Bed's really nice. Underneath the bed mat, really nice condition under there. All set up to tow your restored hydroplane with the blown 392 Hemi, no problem. And there you go. It's pretty nice El Camino. There he goes. See it on eBay.